Hello friends, welcome to Fusion Instant. Today we are going to see a healthy drink, Amla or Indian gooseberry buttermilk. This is very easy to prepare. For that we need to take few amlas. I have cut it into small pieces and we need curd for this. So we have to mix the cutted amla along with curd in a mixer grinder. If you have a buttermilk separately also, we can use buttermilk. Here I am using very low fat curd, so that's why directly I am using curd. There is no particular ratio, this much amla or this much curd like that for this recipe. We can add as much as we want based on our taste. I am adding little salt. And since I am not using buttermilk, I am adding water. Those who are having ulcer problem, they can daily morning they can take this drink. We can see the difference within few weeks. Please try it out and share me the comments. For more recipes, please reach out my playlist based on categories. I have added a lot of recipes. Please try it out. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for your support.